Gathered here is the leadership of the Nigerian Hunters and Forest Security Service for the first 2023 national meeting with state commanders to brainstorm on possible ways for improved security across the nation's forest and beyond. The Commander General of the Hunters Service, Ambassador Joshua Oshatimehin, in an interview with journalists after the meeting, called on President Muhammadu Buhari to assent to the Hunters Bill passed by the National Assembly.
I want to announce to you that last year, December 22nd, the final reading, both from the Senate and the Rep, was concluded and it was endorsed by the two houses of National Assembly. And I want to announce to you, the bill now has been transmitted to Mr. President. And any moment from now, we are expecting approval and assent for Mr. President.
The Hunters and Forest Security Service leadership believes that assent to the bill will empower the Hunters Security Service for more efficiency in service delivery.
Having considered the capacity of the operations of our men, we need an enhancement by assenting the bill for effective performance.
We, the forest guards, we're not only there to secure the forest, we're also there to protect the forest. The illegal logging, the illegal poaching of some animals that are extinct. So these are part of the work we do, not just only securing the forest, we're there to maintain the forest.
During the meeting, the CG conferred an Icon of Peace Award on Assistant Commander General, Technical, Ambassador John Michie, for his outstanding contribution to the service.
Ambassador Dr. Michie John Chukwudi, ACG Technical, National Headquarters, in recognition of your support for this service. Congratulations.
As I continue as a peace ambassador, I keep spreading the news all over where I go that living in peace is extremely important. A community or a country that is not peaceful, coexistent, cannot function. So I encourage everybody to live in peace, love one another.
The Hunter Security Service, with its national security contribution, has been considered as an integral part of national security architecture by experts. John Taylor, ITV News.